This is spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. You can see here the stress is on the first syllable. And here, even though we use the letter A, the sound is I. It's the same sound as here. Spinach. When you eat spinach, it goes into your stomach. And you can see here we have the same spelling, A-C-H at the end, but the pronunciation is completely different. Here we're going to use the schwa, the weak sound, muk. And CH here is now a K sound. Muk. Stomach. Also the O over here is not O, instead it's This is the same sound as in fun. Stomach. Spinach. And over here we have another two words which are a little tricky. Still on the food theme, we've got a recipe. Here are our ingredients and our instructions. And the word is recipe. It looks like recipe, but actually we do pronounce the E at the end, and that's very uncommon in English. Recipe. The stress is at the beginning. Recipe. Now over here we have this, which is a receipt. Now here the P is silent, and you can see that the stress is on the second syllable. Receipt. One more time. Recipe. Receipt.